Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the today geography session. Yesterday we have started with our agriculture topic of geography lesson number 9, right? There we have finished with the topic animal husbandry on page number 53 of your textbook. Let us continue further. We are going to see now what are the various ways in which animal husbandry is practiced. Okay, so in that first we are going to see dairy farming. Let us read. Dairy farming. Cows, oxen, buffaloes, etc. are reared for agriculture related work. So we all know all these animals are put to use for carrying out the farming work. Yes or no? So apart from that, what can be they used for? Let us see that. Rearing milch animals and animals which can be employed in farming is also an occupation. Means milch animals. What do you mean by milch animals? The animals which are giving milk. Okay, milk producing animals are called as milch animals. So even such milk giving animals, milk producing animals are reared, that is taken care. Okay, and these animals can also be employed in the farming work. So along with the farming work, they can be used for, as they are giving milk, their milk can be used for various purposes. It is considered to be an inseparable part of mixed farming. So this type of thing, that where the animals are used for farming as well as they can be used for another occupation, that's why they are considered to be as mixed farming. Okay, they are inseparable part, means from one thing only we can get many products. From milk, then again you can produce so many things, milk items. Yes or no? Like you can make butter, ghee, cheese, paneer, and so many things are there, milk items. So this way you can practice many other occupation, right? That's why it is called as mixed farming. It has become quite commercial in recent times. So commercial means what? Profit oriented, business, money oriented. Means we are using all these things in recent times. This has become a very general practice. Many people are carrying out this profession. It has become very commercial as it is a profit oriented business. In India, it has started changing recently. Okay, commercial dairy farming is mainly undertaken for meat and milk. Now before this we were using only for profit margin, okay, profit purpose or earning money, but now this trend has changed in India. We are commercial dairy farming is mainly undertaken for what reason? For meat and milk. So not only for milk but also for meat. Okay, let us see now sheep and goat rearing. This is also a traditional occupation. We know that sheep and goat has been reared. They have been taken. Shepherds are looking after the sheep and goat. Yeah, they are taking them for grazing on the open land and then taking care of them. And why? Because we can get milk and many other. Sheep can give us wool. Wool is again then used for making winter clothes. So this way, this is also a very traditional occupation which has been carrying on from olden days. That is generally carried out in hilly tracts and semi-arid regions with dry climate. In hilly tracts means what? Region, area. So this mainly this occupation is carried where? In which places? Where there are hilly areas, hilly regions. Okay, and semi-arid regions mean little, the regions which are having little dry climate. There this occupation is carried out. Sheep and goats survive on short grasses, shrubs and acacia. Turn your page. Which grow in remote hilly rural areas away from urban settlements. So now we all know that what are the feed or what sheep and goats are feeded on. They actually need short grasses. Okay, that is their food on which they survive. So sheep and goats are feeded with grasses, that is short length grasses, then shrubs and acacia. Acacia is also one type of plant. Okay, you just remember it is a one type of plant. Okay, so all these types of things are needed to be feeded for, and these all are available where? In the remote hilly rural areas away from the urban settlements. That means this short grasses and acacia and all these things are not available in our cities, in the urban settlements. These are all available in the rural areas where there are, hilly areas, and that's why this occupation is carried out there in these regions. In India, it is mainly undertaken for meat. Why are sheep and goats reared? Why they are taken care? Because we get meat from there, and meat is, a earning source for people. Sheep rearing is carried out to obtain wool. I told you, even we get wool from sheep, and that is again, wool can be used for further producing all the woolen clothes. So that is why sheep and goat rearing is also practiced mainly in remote hilly areas. Okay. Poultry, keeping hens and other fowl is a common practice in all parts. What do you mean by fowl? Fowl means it is also a bird of the order which is belonging to the hen category. Okay, it is of the hen category. It is also a bird of that order, and that is kept for what reason? For getting eggs and flesh. Okay, so remember, keeping hens and other fowl that is belonging to the same class is a common practice in all parts of the world. It is also a traditional occupation. Today it is carried out as a household occupation and also on a commercial basis. So say maybe it is a traditional occupation which has been carried on from long before, but still it has been carried on today, and it is mainly carried on in a household. Means it has become a household occupation. People are keeping, poultry in their, along with their home. They are taking care of the hens so that they can get what? Enough eggs and meat, and they can earn money by selling that. Okay, so that means it is a commercial basis. It has been carried on as a business purpose. Running a poultry on a commercial basis requires a lot of care. Yes, now it is not very easy. You need lot of care to be taken of these poultry, of these animals. Yes or no? Then only we can get good money from selling eggs and flesh, which we will get from the poultry. For this, scientific methods are employed. Again, some new techniques are coming. So these methods are being employed so that everything can happen in a better way. In India, this occupation is generally located in in the areas close to big cities, as they provide a ready market for this occupation. So where these poultry farms and poultry are been settled, where? In the areas close by to the cities, to the big cities. Why? Because in the big cities population is more, their earning capacity, they can spend more, they need these all products, meat and eggs. So there is a ready market to sell these all products which we are getting from the poultry farming. Okay, so that's why these shops, these occupation is generally located where? In the areas close by to the big cities, so that they can get ready market to sell their produce. Okay, in some areas rabbit, pig and emu rearing is also undertaken. Okay, so not only sheep and goat or hens and all these are reared, but also these rabbit, pig and emu. What do you mean by emu? Emu is also one type of bird which resembles the ostrich. Okay, it is having great economic value. Emu is having great economic value in the market for its meat and eggs. Also its oil, skin and feather. Its oil is having good market value. Its skin and feathers, all its parts, eggs, meat, oil, skin and feathers, all this is having great economic value in the market. Just remember, it resembles, it looks like little ostrich. Okay, so all these things are also reared, and this is also undertaken in some areas. Next, beekeeping. This occupation is undertaken to obtain honey and wax. We know bees, honeybees, yes or no? Even we can take care of the bees which they are when they are making the honeycomb, we can take care of them so that we can obtain honey and wax. Bees, in order to collect honey, hover around the plants that bear flowers. Now where are the wandering? These bees are they are, you know, flying from here and there, and then they are sitting at one place. Okay, they remain in one place. That is called as hover, to remain in one place in the air. Okay, so they are remaining in one place in the air in order to collect what? Honey. And where they are remaining at one place? Around the plant, so that they can suck the nectar from the flowers, yes or no? They are sitting around the flowers, they are roaming around the flower, they are sitting at one place in the air around the flowers, so that they can suck the nectar of the flowers and then produce the honey. Okay, so that is where the honey is getting collected. This promotes the process of pollination also. When they are doing this process, they are also promoting the process of pollination. What do you mean by pollination? It is a process of germination, okay, in the flowers. Okay, as a result, the trees bear large number of fruits and the crop yields increase. Once the pollination process is going on, there will be increase in the number of trees which are bearing flowers, yes or no? Number of fruits will increase, crops yield will increase. So thus the process of pollination will lead to the increase in the number of fruits and the crops. Beekeeping is an important occupation with respect to agriculture. So thus beekeeping is helping in producing the crops here, or it is helping in the large production of the crops. Okay, that is why it is very important occupation with respect to agriculture. Okay, so today I will end my video session here and hope you have understood. So bye for now, take care, have a nice day.